In yesterday's video, we talked about some long-term price predictions for Shiba Inu Coin, and in this video, we're going to be talking about some short-term price predictions for Shiba Inu Coin, specifically by the end of October. We're going to be looking at what some machine learning algorithms, now they sound smart, right? Machine learning sounds really smart, but all they do is take the current technical analysis trend, extend it out to the period that you're looking for, and deliver that number based on the current trend. Obviously, as humans, we know tomorrow is not guaranteed. We know that we can, yes, try to predict, but anything can happen tomorrow that could change the trajectory of the current trend. So please keep that in mind as we go over these machine learning algorithm price predictions for Shiba Inu Coin. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're still getting 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Now, like I said, we talked about some very bullish price predictions yesterday that had Shiba Inu Coin hitting some new all-time highs and reaching those levels of 3 zeros and a 1. Now, that is absolutely huge. Shiba Inu Coin would be worth hundreds of billions of dollars, but they didn't expect that to take place until 2050. Now, I truly believe that could happen much, much sooner for Shiba Inu Coin as long as cryptocurrency regulation takes place in a way that benefits crypto adoption and institutional money begins to inflow. I mean, guys, if you're talking about the vast majority of institutions out there and the tens of trillions of dollars in wealth that they have under management, if some of that begins to flow into the cryptocurrency space, not even discussing the type of retail FOMO that could happen, Shiba Inu Coin could be seeing valuations above $100 billion. So I don't think it's going to take till 2050, but of course that's a much more conservative look and a much more conservative, I guess, price prediction that algorithm has. Now this one, it says machine learning algorithm sets Shiba Inu Coin's price for October 31st. So if you guys are looking as to what is going to happen during October, I will say there's a couple things that may change this. All right, and a couple things that may actually catalyze the market in a major way to the upside. But that's if it's in our favor. It could obviously do it to the downside as well. So it says, since reaching a 4-month peak in August during the Shibarium release, when Shiba Inu Coin was touching that 1,100 point per coin mark, Shiba Inu Coin has taken a sharp nosedive, pushing its losses in 2023 to nearly 10%. This descent comes amidst a broader downturn in the cryptocurrency market, marking a challenging year for cryptocurrencies with only sporadic short-term rallies. And Bitcoin is actually doing pretty well today, but we're not seeing the same type of action in altcoins. While the prevailing sentiment for Shiba Inu Coin is leaning bearish and increasing uncertainty in the cryptosphere, Finbold has turned to predictive analytics to shed light on the near-term prospects for the second largest meme crypto asset, Shiba Inu Coin, Dogecoin being the first. It says, according to data retrieved on October 3rd, the machine learning algorithms at price predictions project SHIB to be 726 points per coin. Now, that is essentially zero gain or zero loss from where we're at right now. And this article goes on to say that the machine learning algorithm is powered by price predictions that relies on a thorough analysis of widely used technical analysis, average true range Bollinger Bands, moving average convergence and divergence, and the relative strength index. So guys, here's what you notice in a situation like this, and that's all we need to really see in this article, was that they're predicting no change by the end of the month. And I believe we could see a change by the end of the month. So what are they using? This technical analysis is being used on a shorter term time period. And what do we know about Shiba Inu Coin over the last couple of weeks? It has been just excruciatingly stagnant. There's no other way to put that. If you pull out a daily chart and you go back a couple weeks, Shiba Inu Coin has essentially been wicking down to about 700 points per coin and wicking up to 750 points per coin. But the bodies are sitting essentially between 720 points per coin and 730 points per coin. Now, this extremely tight channel causes all of the other metrics to trade in extremely tight channels as well. There's no volatility, so you're not going to see the moving averages moving up and down very much. The Bollinger Bands are going to be tightening. There's so many things going on that are influencing these short-term price predictions right now that it's going to make them very difficult to be accurate. Now, what do I think could happen? Number one, we know that the SEC was just denied its appeal in the XRP Ripple case. The fact that it was denied its appeal, I actually would have expected Ripple to be ripping much higher, or XRP to be ripping much higher than it is right now. And I believe the market is really going to catch up in understanding what that means for cryptocurrency as a win, or a major win in the cryptocurrency space. I don't think they've caught on to that yet. Another thing, we know that the judge gave the SEC 45 days to look at the Grayscale application and some other applications for Bitcoin spot ETFs. Now, that was a couple weeks ago. And if that comes due, or if the SEC makes a decision on that before the end of October, we could absolutely see a catalyst to the upside or to the downside. Now, I try to be optimistic, especially when looking at Shiba Inu Coin and all other investments for that matter. But if the SEC approves a Grayscale Bitcoin spot ETF, that is going to be the beginning of institutional inflow. If they deny a Grayscale Bitcoin spot ETF, it could be another setback in the cryptocurrency space, but we have seen the SEC losing case after case after case. So I don't believe it's going to be a very major setback. I believe it'll be a minor setback. So I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, are you going technical analysis right now, and the fact that things are so stagnant, you believe Shiba Inu Coin is going to be at 726 points per coin by the end of the month? Or do you believe that Shiba Inu Coin is going to be much higher? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.